In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Google Fi eSIM on your iPhone. First, click onto Settings. Then click on Cellular. Once you click on Cellular, scroll down and then you'll see an option called Add eSIM. Click on that. Next, you'll see two options, Transfer from nearby iPhone and Use QR code. Click on to Use QR code. Your iPhone camera will be then open. If Google Fi has sent you a QR code, scan through it, or else you can enter details manually. For that, you need to enter your SMTP address, your activation code, and confirmation code. Once filling out these information, you can click on to Next and then follow the prompts. And just like that, you can activate your Google Fi eSIM on your iPhone. For more quick tutorials, give this video a like and subscribe.